Let's take a look at a demo of the integration between CRM and SharePoint, and we'll start with a quick overview of the benefits. If you're using CRM online, you're probably paying extra for storage, whereas you get far more storage at a far lower price using SharePoint. CRM's document management capabilities are, to say the least, very limited, but they're very extensive in SharePoint. By integrating the two, you get the best of both worlds. And for CRM users, learning SharePoint could be a steep learning curve. But if you use the SharePoint to CRM integration, they get to use the SharePoint capabilities and the familiar CRM user interface. And lastly, the integration allows CRM users to collaborate with non-CRM users by sharing documents on SharePoint. Let's take a look at the demo. Let's take a look together at how the out-of-the-box SharePoint and CRM integration works. When you open any account or any record in CRM that you've set this up with, the integration will automatically create a folder in SharePoint to manage the documents. Here I've opened up the Success Accelerators account. Now let me navigate to the Documents area. After a moment, the document folder is created, and this area is available for managing your documents in CRM. If I go over here to SharePoint, and I refresh this page, you can see Success Accelerators has been added as another area for documents. Back in CRM, let's take a look at how the document management works. I'm going to look up an account, C5 Insight, and navigate to the Documents area of this account. And as you can see, I can see all of my documents right within CRM. These can be available in a number of different places. Here you can see we have some documents that are actually associated with a case underneath this account. So these documents are rolling up hierarchically, just like the CRM hierarchy rolls up. Here are a couple of other ones associated with opportunities. If I were to navigate to those opportunity records, the only documents I would see under there are the ones specifically associated with the opportunity. Since I'm on the account, I'm seeing all the ones for the account and the sub-records. This one's associated with the contact. Now these next couple you can see are actually just associated directly with the account. And then you can also see we can look at documents not just in SharePoint, but also in OneDrive. And OneDrive also gives me some other options. In this case, I've named this file to make it clear what I'm doing, but I've said this is in OneDrive and it's a private document. I'm the only one who can see it. I've not shared it. This is one in OneDrive and I've shared it. I might have shared it internally. I might have shared it externally, but it's available for other people to collaborate with me on either inside or outside of my organization. And I can easily interact with my documents right inside of CRM as well, including creating new documents. So I'm going to create a new OneNote associated with this account. I know everyone working on this account can work with that document. And I can define where I want this to be. I've defined a number of locations for this account. And just like that, it adds the document for me. If I want to open the document and edit it, it's as simple as clicking it. And just like that, I've created my document. I also have access to the basic document management features of SharePoint. So here you can see I can manage checkout, I can manage check-in, I can do renaming, but also if I want to get more advanced feature access, I can just open it up directly in SharePoint. And now I can have full access to all the different SharePoint features such as version management and all the other things I'm used to managing in SharePoint, but without having to toggle to SharePoint and look up the document. It's just a couple of clicks and I'm opening it up in SharePoint. And this integration is also available on your phone, tablet, or other mobile device using the CRM Mobile Edition. So here I'm on the tablet version. Let's go ahead and navigate to the C5 Insight account. We'll scroll down to the documents. And we have full capability to read, write, update, open these, whatever we want to do with them. To recap, if you want to have much more robust document management right within CRM, and share documents with non-CRM users who are on SharePoint while minimizing the learning curve and the time required to navigate between multiple applications, or you want to save money on the extra storage required for CRM by storing your documents and email attachments in SharePoint, then check out the SharePoint and CRM integration options from Microsoft.